Chapel Arm is a charming little settlement on the Avalon Peninsula, right at the southeast corner of Trinity Bay. It's about 100 kilometers, or 62 miles, west of St. John's, the capital city. The town is very conveniently located. It's just 2 kilometers from the Trans-Canada Highway, so getting here is a breeze. Plus, it's only a 10-minute drive to the Vale Nickel Refinery in Long Harbour and 30 minutes to the Come By Chance Oil Refinery. This means there are lots of job opportunities nearby. One of the best things about Chapel Arm is its natural beauty. There are kilometers of walking trails along the bay where you can enjoy the fresh, cool sea air. It's perfect for a peaceful walk or a hike. If you love being on the water, you'll fit right in here. Boaters and kayakers have plenty of places to fish and explore.
Thank you very much.
Keep an eye out for whales, porpoises, ospreys, and even bald eagles. Chapel Arm is a wonderful place to experience nature and the friendly community spirit of Newfoundland. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty of this charming town.
you.